So when plugged in, it's green. And it only works while it's plugged in. And then shuts right off. Will not work if it's not on, not plugged in. It just stays on for a couple seconds while it's plugged in and turns right off immediately. So green light. It's on because it's plugged in. But the second that it's not, it'll turn right off. Like that. Nothing.
Good morning. We're out in the Florida sunshine of 100 degrees weather, and I am wearing my new device, and it is keeping me so much cooler. Trust me, my face could be so much redder because it is so hot and I do not tolerate heat well. This device works absolutely wonderful in keeping you cool. If there's any updates to the product or you need someone to test products, I'm willing to do that for you guys. Works great, keeps me cool. That's the important thing for Florida golf. Good luck. I hope this helps you make a decision to buy this device. It's awesome.
Well, we're in Miami, so I'm trying this. It's super easy to put on with just one hand. It has 3 modes, I think. Oh my gosh. Okay. I approve this. Huh? So you can live happy in Miami. It's hot outside.
Setting 1, setting 2, setting 3.